Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you how can you add your article in your Google Scholar profiles. So first of all, as you can see, you have to log in into your Google Scholar account, and if you are logged in into your Google Scholar account, you will see your profile image over here. That means you are logged in your Google Scholar account. Now after that, if you are logged in, what you can see this editing options available to you. If you are not logged in into your account, you will not see all this editing option. So to add any article manually, you just click on this plus icon over here, and you can see there are three different ways to add articles. One is add article groups. If you click on that, it means if you have a bulk articles which are not added in your profile, you can add this. So if you click on that, and you will see that, okay, if you just select your name, there are 51 articles, but you have to ensure that all these articles is published by you. If not, then you should not click on that and add all this. So this thing should not be done, because if all the articles is not published by you. So I will cross this. Second thing, you can add articles one by one. So let's say you just write your name, and based on that, if you see any articles which is not in your profile, you can just click on this and click on this tick mark to add it. I will show you the manual one. So click on this add articles manually, and which generally you can do for general articles, conference, paper, book chapter, book, thesis, patent, court case, website, and any other things. So today I'm going to show you how to add a book chapter. So I will click on this chapter, and you can see we need to provide title, author's details, publication date, book name, volume, pages, and publisher. So these things we have to provide for a book chapter. So what you have to do, let's say you go to your published book chapter online, and then you can see there is the title of your book chapter. So copy this and paste this over here. Second thing, authors you can find over here. So for this it's only single author by me, so I will click on this. I will click on this and copy this full name, and then I will paste it over here. Publication date you can find over here. It's like now 2025. Date is not given particularly over here, but what you can do, you can go to the book, and wherever this ebook published, you can select that date also, because when this book published, all the book chapters also get published. So click on this, select this date, and publication date you can put that over here. Then you have to provide the book title. Book title is this one. Volume, so if you see volume, it's first edition. So volume 1 I can write. Pages, so for pages you have to go to a book chapter. It says 18 pages, but the page numbers are not explicitly given. So now what I have done, I have previewed this book using this preview PDF, and I got this table of contents which you can see over here, and now I can see that my book chapter is start from page number 297. So I will add that 297 over here, 297, and then it goes till 311, and then last would be 314. So I will write 314. Publisher would be over here. It will be given at this part. Publisher is not explicitly given. What I can, its imprint is given, or back publication, so let's put that name. It's also CRC Press. Let's put publisher name, or back publication, or you can put Taylor and Francis, CRC Press. All are fine. And then click on this tick mark. Okay, it has to be in a single number, so it's 1. And now if you can click on this year, if you sort all your publication in by year, you can see this latest one is now there in your profile. integration of generative AI and advent of education 4.0. So now it is on the Google Scholar Google Scholar with this title. So in this way you can add let's say any book chapter, any article in your Google Scholar profile manually. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.